Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here at the Colorado School of Mines campus. Let's talk about what we will do in the GEGN590 course. Specifically, week 2, Geospatial Research. What is geospatial research? This week, the readings are about considering project topics and GIS project design and planning. You're going to get another few toes into the waters of your GIS project, and specifically the activities then to build those skills and think about what other people are doing with geospatial technology and what you could do with geospatial technology in your project. You're going to analyze land cover change via a web mapping application, and you're going to analyze 75 years of fire data in California via ArcGIS Online web mapping. Why? I want you to understand what people and what you can do with geospatial technology, and also think about the communication tools. How do you share your results of your project? Is it a web mapping application? Is it a dashboard? Is it an instant app? Is it a video? Is it a ArcGIS Online map viewer map that you share? Is it a story map? There's lots of ways to share the results of your work. Think about your audience, your stakeholders, your partners, how you will communicate. Think about the presentation as a lightning talk at a conference, a 5-minute highlight of what you're doing and why it matters, and a call to action for the audience, how they could be involved, how they could help further the solution that you're proposing. Your project-specific tasks this week are to analyze projects from the ESRI map book. This will give you a nice overview of a wide variety of themes, scales, topics, issues that people are grappling with geospatial technology. Pick one of the ESRI map book entries and identify a few things about it, what they were trying to solve, what scale, what data that they need. And as you do so, you can think about your own project and what data and what scale is appropriate and what problem you're trying to grapple with. And then finally, you're going to be writing this GIS project abstract. So those are the tasks for this week. I hope they're engaging. I hope they're interesting. Considering the project topics, I've got a short-ish 2 pages or so of content that you can examine that I hope is extremely useful for your project. And then I also have a list of possible project topics, including my own list and then also 2 other lists that are online. And here is the project design and plan. You're going to watch a few videos, read some text, and think about takeaways. Here is the section where we analyze projects from the ESRI map book. As you can see, a wide variety of scales, themes, etc. And here is the section where you're going to read about planning a project. And here is the section where you're going to write your 2-page project topic abstract. It's not to say that you're locked into that. You can change it, but we only have 8 weeks in this course. So changing it would be challenging, but doable. If you decide you want to go in this direction, you still have time to do that, but at least it gives you practice, and here's the rubric, writing that abstract. And then here's one of my favorite parts is the land cover change using the Sentinel-2 data. And then the second part is the wildfire analysis in California. As always, we do have a short quiz, not to stress you out, but to give you confidence that, yes, you're making progress. I hope these quizzes, they're designed to be about 5 minutes. 5-minute quizzes, 6 questions, that you're making progress, giving you confidence that you're moving forward. That is the content of week 2 in our GIS project course at the Colorado School of Mines. I'm glad you're here with me, Joseph Kursky. Let me know if I can be of any assistance, and I'll see you in the course. Thanks. Glad you could join me for this course.